we have a successful and rewarding relationship as we go forward. I've always considered myself to be a brave person, but this has made me braver as an artist. I've mixed, pretty much the entire EP here. My husband and I, we set up a little...
Hi everybody, we have an exciting announcement. We are bringing Simi into the Platoon family.
Simi in the house!
It's like you don't even
Simi!
I'm a singer-songwriter from Nigeria, and I've been singing for over a decade now. The influences I had in music, especially when I was younger, were Lauryn Hill. I loved Asha as well. I love Adele. Hi everybody.
We're really looking forward to seeing your music spread out to the entire globe, which it should.
Platoon definitely stood out because of the energy. When you're doing art, it's always important for everyone to be on the same wavelength. It was like a no-brainer. We knew that we wanted to work with you and collaborate with you.
Maybe get a few last words on what you're looking forward to most with signing with Platoon.
I'm hoping that that we have a successful and rewarding relationship as we go forward. I've always considered myself to be a brave person, but this has made me braver as an artist. I've mixed pretty much the entire EP here. My husband and I, we set up a little makeshift studio here in the closet. Since I've gone on this path, it's helped me to allow myself enjoy the art more, as opposed to over calculating your next move. Oh, I want to do this instead because this is what people want. I'm just going with the flow. This is how I'm feeling right now, so this is what I'm gonna do.